this is a Fender Telecaster, and this is a Fender Telecaster as well. Here's all the parts. This is a Road Worn series Telecaster body. They did a nice job on the paint and everything. I like how it looks all aged, but the Relicing looks a little bam, 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 bam. That doesn't look natural. So we're gonna do something about that. We're gonna put this whole thing together. Hopefully this will play and sound like a Telecaster very soon. Stick around. So I'm gonna start out with this headstock. Here's the shape we're going for. Here's the shape we have. Got a piece of cardstock. Now I got this little half pencil. I'm just gonna trace this out. Here's my cutout. You can see it matches. We're gonna trace around this and get that shape onto the neck. Okay, now back from the spindle. Back from the spindle. Blah, 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 blah. These knobs and this plate just look a little bit too new and too shiny, so I'm gonna put them in the bath of muriatic acid. Probably should be wearing gloves with this, but I'm not. I'm gonna put a little bit just to create a little fume bath. I'm gonna put the plate right here, put a lid on it. Okay, it's been about an hour. Let's take a look at it. I can see it's starting to get little hits, very subtle, so that's only after an hour. I'm gonna come back in about 3 hours and check it again. This is after about 6 hours. The screws came out really good. Let's try to fix the Relicing on this body. Here's kind of what I'm gonna do. It was dot, 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 dot. I'm just gonna marry some of these, leave some of them on their own. You don't wanna have perfect dings every half an inch, perfectly spaced. And then the back, what kind of buckle rash is that? Kind of weird. Dot, 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 dot. So we're gonna try to make this look more natural. Before I apply any kind of finish to this neck, I do take some dyes and some tints and I get it to a nice color that I think will match the guitar, and then I put a vinyl sealer first before I do the lacquer finish. I got about 3 coats of lacquer on here and I'm ready to give it a little wet sanding and get this finished. Here I'm getting ready to do the assembly on the pickups. For the bridge position, he went with a Klein pickup, and then for the neck, we're going with a Ron Ellis. It's a JL. It's a custom made for Julian Lodge, which I guess replicates the same pickup from his 1954 Telly. I'm guessing this one. The harness comes from this company, 920D. For a couple of bucks, they'll pre-wire it for you. I took the tuners and bushings off of this Telly neck. It had these bushings, but obviously the hole was too big, and so they put tape around it. It's one way to make up the gap. So that's pretty much the end here. Thanks for hanging in there with me on this. This was a super fun build to do. All the Relic work, all the assembly, and I think this guitar came out pretty amazing. I also lit up that join button, so if anybody's already subscribed to my channel and you want to hit that join button, you'll get a lot of bonus material, some additional footage, some compilation videos of many more restorations than what I have on my YouTube. Go ahead and hit that join button, and I'll catch you in the next one.